Breaking news coming in. Blue tick has been removed from Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar's Twitter. Rajiv Chandrasekhar is now the Minister of State IT and he's lost his verified blue tick. Twitter sources have told India Today, however, that when an account holder changes their username, Twitter may automatically remove the blue verified badge from an account. So is this a technical glitch or is this been done on purpose? But the verified badge has been removed from MOS Minister of State IT, Rajiv Chandrasekhar. He's just newly been inducted into the cabinet and the blue tick has gone away from his Twitter account. But the Twitter sources have indicated that because he changed his username, Twitter automatically removed the blue verified badge from the account. Aishwarya is now joining us from the phone line. Aishwarya, first question is about the fact that he's MOS IT, and we do know that Twitter has been on a warpath with the government. There's been Twitter versus government playing out for quite some time now, and his verified blue tick has suddenly disappeared. But now the Twitter sources are saying that this has happened because he changed his username. The real proof in the pudding would lie when his blue tick is indeed restored, say in a couple of days or whatever the protocol of Twitter is. Otherwise, it just suggests some sort of vendetta between Twitter and the government.
Well, Chetty, we'll still have to wait and see when does his new account get verified, because indeed he has changed his name from Rajiv MP to Rajiv_GOI. So definitely we can see that there is a change in the name, and according to Twitter, that's what Twitter has told India Today. When an account holder changes the username, then automatically the blue badge, the blue tick is removed. So we now have to wait and watch when, under his new name, when will he get the blue tick? Definitely. We'll have to wait and watch. If that doesn't happen, then it will speak volumes. But at the moment, what Twitter has told India Today is this blue tick has been removed because of the change in name.
All right, so he's changed his name and his new Twitter ID, I'm just checking it out right now, says @Rajiv _GOI. Perhaps that's the reason why his blue tick has gone away, and that is the reason then it needs to be restored. Else it signifies the acrimony which is ongoing between Twitter and the government. Leave it at that, Aishwarya. You're right. We have to wait and watch to see what happens next. Twitter India appointed a resident grievance officer days after designating a chief compliance officer to meet new IT rules in the country. This move comes days after new IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw took charge of the ministry and said that the firm will have to follow Indian laws. Take a look at this report.
After facing heat from the central government and the Delhi High Court, Twitter has complied with the new IT guidelines, finally appointing an Indian national and resident as its officer for grievances redressal. In an announcement on its website, Twitter named Vinay Prakash for the position, fulfilling the government's new mandate. This comes after a stern warning from new IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw after taking charge, asking the microblogging behemoth to respect law of India.
भारत में रहने वाले हर व्यक्ति को, भारत में काम करने वाली हर कंपनी को, सभी को भारत के नियम मानने चाहिए.
In the new IT laws issued in March, government asked social media behemoths to identify illegal posts and find originator of such posts. Tech giants with over 50 lakh users were also asked to appoint chief compliance officer, nodal officer and grievance officer. All the three personnel have to be residents in India. The officials will be held liable for any illegal posts, breach in legality, and will be responsible for addressal of grievances of users targeted or harassed on social media platforms. Twitter had been at loggerheads with the Indian government over the new social media rules, but now it seems to fall in line after successive raps by the Delhi High Court, which was hearing a plea against its continuing defiance.
What we can expect with the appointment of Vinay Prakash is that this war of words or this tussle between the government and Twitter might settle for a brief period. Manas Tiwari in Delhi for India Today.